Hello everyone, my name is Anushri HBA. Today I will tell you about the introduction of the drug safety. The introduction of a drug safety is a e-learning module provides a foundation of the knowledge and required to work day to day in a clinical safety and pharmacovigilance. Both clinical safety and pharmacovigilance, they are both of safety of the drug. This module provides information on the legal basic for a safety reporting and including a historical perspective, and then a basic definition and tools. The machines of a drug safety and pharmacovigilance refers safety information provided by the investigators and post marketing labeling and evaluation of seriousness, expectedness and causality. The modules take an average of 4 hours to complete. This e-learning module can be purchased individually for a part of the drug safety e-learning program or safety e-learning bundles. These modules is designed for professionals involved in a clinical safety and and pharmacovigilance, then clinical research, regulatory affairs, and medical writing and marketing. The completion of the modules, learners should be able to recognize the history, then a principle and a regulatory framework from a clinical drug safety, defines terms used in a day-to-day pharmacovigilance work, and identify a typical company and a drug safety unit, and the path of the case from a start to finish. Then list reference safety information provided by the investigators and post marketing labeling. The determine the assessment of a seriousness and causality of the adverse event. Drug safety is the use of the post marketing labeling and the evaluation of the seriousness. Then the drug safety is also known as the pharmacovigilance, has been a hot topic in the life science industry for several years, but now more so than ever with the COVID-19 ongoing. There's now a global race to identify and developed a vaccine, while treatment and vaccines must be developed quickly in order to stem the pandemic. This urgency must still be balanced with the safety and efficacy, which is where pharmacovigilance comes in, with the drug safety professionals working hard to help keep us safe and healthy. We are shining on what is industry is, what it does, and what roles are available. And the pharmacovigilance is the science and involves monitoring the effects of the drug, including detecting, assessment, understanding and preventing side effects of the drug. It also health professionals and the public to understand the risk and benefits of medicines. Without it, it will be near impossible to assess how effective drugs are in comparison of their side effects. And drug safety protects patients and enables professional to share crucial information and that can ultimately be life saving. While drug safety now plays an internal role in the pharmaceuticals industries, mm, this hasn't always been the case. The pharmacovigilance process was uh, in 1916s after the thalidomide tragedy, where a drug marketed as a mild sleeping pill resulted in the serious complications in a pregnancy and birth defect. The result of this incident were what we know now as a drug safety, and testing laws were introduced to ensure stricter measures were in place for future drug development. Thank you.